Hey, this is the song right here. Hey. I'm about to go pick up Ken, and we probably about to head downtown Royal Oak again. And then one of my friends that passed away recently, his birthday is today, so we're going to a candlelight. So yeah, just look out for that, guys. All right, so me and Ken came to this restaurant. He's stalking, that's all. I'm not stalking. I got this girl's number here yesterday, and she's very beautiful, and I'm interested.
You don't never come
that's the name of the restaurant.
Next day.
Man, I came to, we was coming down here anyway, so and I was hungry, so I might as well come here.
Yep, okay.
Why is he hating on me, man? Stop hating on me, Ken. But yeah, it's just a nice restaurant. Let me give y'all a little. Nice. But that's in the back. So yeah, about to wait on our food.
Come in the next fucking day. You don't even know what the fuck La Feast is. Just come in here because she worked here. You think it's fucking Coney Island? No, it's Mediterranean food. Study the fucking menu, son. What is wrong with you? Why would you set yourself up like that?
Why this dude trying to roast me, man? Man, y'all gotta ignore Ken, man. Ken is retarded.
It's like going to a golf course. Never picked up a fucking club. You like, hand me a 9-iron. What?
Alright, so me and Ken got some chicken shawarma things. It's kind of...
She's coming.
Alright. And stop playing with me, man. Yeah, so we just over here doing it for the vlog. Alright, vlog world, so I just went to go get my man Zalante. He just came from church and I just came from downtown out to eat, whatever. So now we on our way to my friend's candlelight on the football field of our high school that we went to. Yeah, it's on the football field. It's gonna be crazy. I think it's gonna be a whole bunch of people. I'm not sure yet, but yeah.
It's gonna be cray-cray.
It's gonna be cray-cray. Look out. We finally made it on the field. There go everybody over there. All in a circle, remembering our forgotten friend. He died in a car crash. Somebody killed him and kept going, and the police still didn't find the guys who did it. Look at the moon, it's so huge. But yeah, we're here. See what's about to happen and go down, you know.
Everybody else is hiding because I'm finding it so hard to do it now. But that's one thing I love about Blaze. He sounds good in everything. Happy birthday, and like we say every Sunday at our dinners.
Say.
No, what your Uncle Blaze say? Okay. Say it. Uncle Blaze said what?
Let me sneak up in here real quick. Hold on.
Hold on. We didn't really get cool into high school. Then we started playing in the band together. Like everyone said, he just always keep a smile on your face.
I'm about to cha-cha with this one, y'all. I'm about to get hyped with this one. Hold that low. All right, come on, Meek Mill. Come on, Meek. Hurry up. No, we ain't singing for that one. I'm talking about I Blaze was the turned up person. He's getting hypey with us. Royal Oak just started jerking. We used to have that black Monte Carlo with the sounds in it. Remember them days? Used to be going crazy. Alright, we're gonna get it. Happy birthday to my bro, my turn up, my business partner, my everything, man. Love you, man. Keep your head up. Wait, that was a long thing you had to do? Hey, I was trying to do long, but she made me go short. You know how she is.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear babe. Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday, buddy. Gone but never forgotten. Good person. Got killed for no reason. Like I said, my bro is gone, but he's never forgotten.
Check out folks once again. She here you come, strike at the bar. Took your sodas and bartenders tonight.
way back to the car from where we walked from the pub.
Make sure y'all looking at lens. Yeah, we on our way back. Had a fun day. You know what I'm saying? I enjoyed the candlelight from my boy Blaze. R.I.P. Blaze.
R.I.P.
R.I.P.
R.I.P. was just killed the club.
Yeah, and then we just went to go, you know, party and stuff. But yeah, the night is over. Bullet.